Asset accounting is a submodule. It is used for managing fixed assets. In asset accounting, we can have functionalities like purchase of asset, depreciation of asset, sale of asset, transfer of asset, scrapping of assets. Okay. So these functionalities we can get it. We can able to get it in our asset accounting. Let us see all these functionalities. So before taking asset accounting, I will try to give you one example. So purchase of car XUV 700 for XUV 700L for rupees 30 lakhs on 01.07.2025. 30 00000. Okay. Now 30 lakhs and the useful life of the car is 10 years. Okay. What is the daily and monthly depreciation? Depreciation means usage value. So 10 lakhs is the 30 lakhs is the car value, right? Now is equal to 30 lakhs divided by 10. That is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is the car value. Sorry, yearly depreciation. Every year we are spending, we are getting reduced by 3 lakhs. Okay. And daily depreciation, 1 minute. I'll put it in this way. Yearly depreciation. Okay. This is the formula divided by 10 years. Daily depreciation, this divided by 365 days. 365 days. So every day 821 rupees is our depreciation value. Depreciation for July 2025. So how many days in July? 31 days. So this into 31, that is every month the depreciation of the car is 20, around approximately 25,000. If it is 30 days, it's different. 31 days will be different. Okay. So every month around 25,000 we are spending for the car, for 30 lakhs car. Okay. So this calculation is easy for us to do it in Excel sheet. But same calculation we need to bring in system. That is the purpose of asset accounting. Okay.